Hello, good morning to you all. I just received this package. This laptop, Lenovo IdeaPad 1 AMD Ryzen 5 5625U 16 GB and 512 GB SSD laptop. I got this for 38,000. Yeah, this is the package I just received. Let us see the complete unboxing of this laptop, and there are many questions from the users, especially from the students. They are asking whether it is ideal for students purpose. So we'll see what are the specifications and what are the options, and we'll see all the details. Just watch this video till the end. Yeah, I just made a cut here. So there is the opening here from the bottom, and inside the actual laptop box. So there is additional one package outside. See here, this is the top Amazon, and this is the inside Lenovo laptop package. So let me take this out. Yeah, I'll be keeping this out. Is there anything else in this? Yeah, here there is one bill here, so I'll keep this aside. Later I'll check. So I'll keep this down. This is the laptop manufacturer information, and see here, this is the exact model. You can say actually the precise model if you want. And see here, 82R4011CIN, and this is the exact model, IdeaPad 115ALC72, and this is also relates to model, MTM and model, and screen size it is 15.6, 39.62 centimeters. One quantity of laptop, computer system, battery. Okay, contents in the package: one battery, manual, power cord, and the adapter. Okay, the price it is mentioned here, but I got this for 38,000. Okay, yeah, let us open this. Yeah, let me open this seal. Okay, let me open this seal. Yeah, yes, I just opened the seal here, and this is the laptop. Okay, for protection, this sheets, and I'll just try to take this out. Yeah, I just took this laptop outside, and this is the user manual, and it is just mentioned about the ports and all the options. See here, 1 2 3 4, like this power button, and the touchpad, and the power source, and HDMI cable 6 mentioned, and this is one USB port, maybe type A port. This is the 9 is the type C port, and yeah, headphone jack port, maybe 3.5 mm. We'll see all with the laptop. We'll keep this paperwork aside, and there is adapter here. Yeah, adapter cable, and I need to take this out. Yeah, okay, these are the box content. Anything else? So I'll be keeping this box downside, and yeah, this is my old laptop. Okay, this is also Lenovo. This is Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 3. Have been using this for the past 4 years, you can say, and it is still working perfectly fine. And if you want, why did I buy this? If when I have this working laptop, why did I buy this? If you ask in the comments, I'll tell you. Maybe I'll do a small video and I'll tell you. And those who want battery test, or the performance test, or the gaming test, or any sort of test, please do ask in the comments. Even though if you like this video or not, it's okay, but if you want specific things me to do on this laptop, please do ask in the comments, so that I'll come to know on what topic should I do the video. And definitely I'm going to do a video on whether this laptop suits for students. So students, those who are watching this video, who wants to buy this Lenovo IdeaPad 1 AMD Ryzen 5 5625, use this particular laptop, please do comment asking your concerns, and this has MS Office. The main reason, let me open this. When I took this out from the package, the first thing which was very impressive is the build quality. Awesome build quality, the shiny silver look here. Exactly, this laptop is also same. As it has become old, it is looking like this. See, exactly, but it's looking pretty premium, and this is the first time I'm just opening this laptop. Yeah, there is a sheet here. Yeah, there is a sheet like, congratulations on your recent purchase of Lenovo. Yeah, very good. Okay, for the first time I'm just turning this laptop on. Maybe I need to just plug in the power source. Yeah, so I'll do that. See here, this is 65 watts adapter, the old style only. Previously the current adapter is very simple, okay, and this got this old style of adapter. And as we discussed, we need to check this is the charging port, then USB type A, then HDMI cable, then USB type C. This yeah, this is USB type C port, okay, and this is no, okay, 3.5 headphone jack. This is also provided, and here, yeah, memory card slot here, and this is one USB slot. Okay, these are the slots available. And this screen is IPS, I guess, for sure this would be IPS display. Yeah, I'll charge it and I'll continue this video. Yeah, see here, this is length of the charging wire cable. Okay, decent enough. To be honest, I should say the length of this wire is decently good. Okay, and this is the first time I'm just turning on this laptop, switching on this laptop for the first time. You can check the boot time. I'm not skipping or I'm just not forwarding. This is the normal play. Okay, you can check the boot time. Maybe as this is the first time it is booting up, it took like 15 seconds till now, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, let me see, just a moment. Yeah, for the Windows startup it took like 20 seconds. Maybe this is the initial startup, right? And I purchased this Portronics wireless laptop, which I'm using for this laptop here, with this USB dongle here attached. Maybe I'll use this for this laptop now. For now, we'll check the touchpad response, so that, yeah.
Set up your device using a screen reader. Turn on narrator by pressing Windows plus Control plus Enter. For more accessibility features, press Windows plus U, or select the accessibility icon in the bottom corner.
Yeah, it just told some keyboard shortcuts. Is the right keyboard layout or input? Yes, English India. This is the setup. Okay, maybe I'll just pause this video, and once I complete the setup, I'll be coming back to this video. And this is the Wi-Fi. It is asking me to connect. It already recognized the Wi-Fi, so I'll be just coming back in a moment. Yeah, meanwhile the setup is getting ready. We'll see the details here. Okay, this is AMD Ryzen 5000 series 5, which comes with AMD Radeon graphics, and here it is mentioned like IdeaPad Slim 1 15:7. Okay, maybe 15:7 is the display size. Okay, ultra slim design, HD camera with privacy shutter. See here, there is a shutter here. Yeah, this is a shutter. Okay, yes, I need to read the Microsoft agreement and click on accept here. And the last option here is rapid charge boost. So all these things I need to check personally, and I can enter my device name, whatever your choice may be. You can keep it here. click on next. So yeah, okay, coming to the weight, I feel little bit heavy and exactly same as my laptop, previous laptop, a bit less. This laptop is a bit less weight, yeah, but okay, handy, you can carry easily. See, as the Wi-Fi is being connected to this laptop, it is saying like maybe OS is updating. It updates. Okay, your updates is in progress. This could take a while. Please keep your PC on and plugged in. Means the power source also it is asking me to just keep it like that. Yeah. Once it is completely done, I'll get back to you. Until that, I'll pause this video. Yeah, meanwhile, we'll see some key highlights here. Organize file effortlessly. Drag and drop files between tabs in file explorers. So you can drag, for example, this folder to this folder, you can drag and drop it here so that the file transfer will be pretty quick. And it is saying, we'll see the next highlight. So at the start only we can create folders, means just like Android, you can just drag and drop over here. So these two become will a single folder, means for the organization purpose. And next highlight, open games with a single notch. Press a single button on your controller to open the controller bar and jump back to your latest game. So if you connect your PC with this gaming console controller. And tools for focus, experience built for reduce distraction with focus sessions and do not disturb. Okay, see it in a bit. If this update isn't done, it's okay to keep step away. We'll take care of the rest. Just be assured your PC is plugged in. Okay, sure. Yeah, the download is get started. Yeah, when the charging is plugged in, there is a light indicator. It is showing that it has some source. Yeah, when you plug in, yeah, there is some button. Yeah, it took like 40 minutes for the installation to be completed. After all the setup, at this point I want to re-record the video, means I want to resume the video, because see here, Office comes this with your device, means this laptop, the current laptop got pre-installed this Windows 11 operating system. And also I'll read for you, your device comes includes Office Home 2024. Your classic Office apps like Word, Excel and PowerPoint are already installed and ready for you. So students who want to prepare PowerPoint presentations needs this Microsoft Office pre-installed. So for them who ask a lot of questions, this would be the answer. It has MS Office pre-installed. Yeah, so we'll quickly check this properties here. I'll just open my Explorer and this PC. I'll be clicking right click, then click on the properties. Once we check the properties, we'll close this video. If anything is else, please do ask in the comments so that I'll be if there is backlight and everything, I'll be testing in the next video. If you want those details, please do ask in the comments so that I'll be definitely doing a video. And there is 3 months Game Pass free subscription on purchase of this laptop. So if you want those details also, please do ask in the comments so that I'll be checking. Yeah, see here, 512 SSD, maybe the operating system took 54 GB and 2 GB graphic card, AMD Radeon graphic card, okay, 2 GB, and installed RAM is 16 GB, which 8 GB is soldered to the what is this motherboard, and 8 GB is like removing slot. Okay, AMD Ryzen 5 with Radeon graphics, and the speed here is 2.3 GHz, which is 6 cores. This laptop has 6 cores, totally say hexa core laptop. Okay, not the quad core. This is 6 core laptop. Okay, yeah, device processor 16 GB RAM, device name, product name, 64-bit operating system. Yeah, okay, we'll close this video for now. If there are anything else, please do ask in the comments. I'll be responding in the next video.